Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. How about you?
What's for breakfast?
We have eggs and toast.
Please pass me the salt.
Here you go.
Turn off the lights.
Sure, I'll do it.
Where are my keys?
They are on the table.
I need some water.
I'll bring it for you.
I'm leaving now.
Okay, take care.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
I'll be back soon.
All right, see you later.
Can you help me, please?
Of course, what do you need?
How much does it cost?
It costs $10.
I'm just looking.
Sure, take your time.
Can I get a discount?
Sorry, the prices are fixed.
Do you accept credit card?
Yes, we do.
What's for dinner?
We are having chicken curry.
Let's watch a movie.
Great idea. Which one?
I'm feeling tired.
You should take some rest.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
What's the plan for today?
I have a meeting in the afternoon.
Did you check the weather?
Yes, it's going to be sunny.
Can you turn on the fan?
Sure, I'll do it right now.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it yesterday.
Do you want some tea or coffee?
I'd like coffee, please.
When is the meeting starting?
It starts at 10:30 a.m.
Can you help me with this task?
Of course, I'll help you.
Where is the teacher?
She's in the staff room.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Yes, we do. Here it is.
Can I return this item?
Yes, but only with the receipt.
How much is this bag?
It is $25.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner.
How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes.
Do you have a map of the city?
Yes, you can get one at the information desk.
What would you like to order?
I'll have a pizza, please. Is this dish spicy? Yes, it is a bit spicy.
Can I get the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
What should we watch tonight?
Let's watch an action movie.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, Let's go for dinner.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Did you lock the doors?
Yes, I locked them.
What time should I wake you up tomorrow?
Wake me up at 6 a.m., please.
Are you going to sleep now?
Yes, I am feeling tired.
What time is breakfast ready?
It will be ready in 10 minutes.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I had a good night.
Where is my phone?
It's on the table, near the sofa.
Can you water the plants?
Yes, I'll do it after lunch.
Do you need help with anything?
Yes, please help me clean the chicken.
What's the deadline for this project?
The deadline is Friday.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Where is the conference room?
It's on the second floor.
Can I try this shirt on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
What's on sale today?
All shoes are 20% off.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 5 a.m.
Is this the right bus for the city center?
Yes, this bus goes to the city center.
How far is the airport from here?
It's about 30 kilometers.
Do you have a vegetarian menu?
Yes, here's our vegetarian menu.
How long will the food take?
It will take about 15 minutes.
Can I have some extra napkins?
Sure, I'll bring them right away.
What should we cook for dinner?
Let's make some pasta.
Do you want to play a game?
Yes, let's play something fun.
What's your favorite show?
I love watching Friends.
Do you need anything before you sleep?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Did you set the alarm for tomorrow?
Yes, I set it for 6 a.m.
Do you want to read a book before bed?
Yes, I'll read a few pages of my novel.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I spent time with family.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza and burger.
Did you watch the match last night?
Yes, it was an exciting game.
What's the time now?
It's 5:45 p.m.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy reading and painting.
Do you like to improve your English?
Yes, I like to improve my English.
Can you speak English fluently?
Yes, I can speak English fluently. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.